video, kiddos. Ooh, there's a birthday girl right there. Right there, Lucy, birthday girl. Gonna have a pool party. There's
right here.
Right there. There's the Hannah's.
Your most favorite?
There's the Connor. My most favorite. All right, so we're at Dollar General DG on that Saturday. Gonna do that $5 off 25. Let's get started. All right, starting off with this tropical ocean spray crayon tropical. It's actually $1, not $1.50. Now these are $1, and there's a 25-cent coupon that's attaching on the app, which makes these 75 cents. Now I've tried the crayon apple and also the crayon grape. It is not working on those, but it is working on this crayon tropical. And these aren't small bottles. These are actually pretty big bottles. These are 25 fluid ounces. So pick these up to make you some tropical drinks for the summer, 75 cents. So this isn't the best deal. The Charmin Essentials Soft, the 12 count, they are $5, and there's a 25-cent coupon on the app, which makes these, well, it's actually $4.95 on the app. So 25-cent coupon makes it $4.70. It's not the best deal, but I always get toilet paper when I come to Dollar General, no matter what, or paper towels. So pick up these if you need some TP. So there is a glitch on the Pantene Pro V in the trial section. So these little Pantenes are $1.50 each, perfect for travel or blessing bags. And so they're $1.50 each and you're gonna have to buy 3 of them. So that's $1.50, that's 3, that's $4.50, so $4.50 for all 3. And there's a $4 off coupon attaching. So it's gonna make all 3 of these small bottles 50 cents. So make sure you go ahead and check it in the app. Just make sure that, you know, it's still attaching at your store. But glitch, 50 cents for all 3 bottles. All right, another glitch on the trial size. These are the Herbal Essence Dry Shampoo. They are $2, and you can take on the app $2 off 2 bottles, so it's going to make each bottle $1. Okay, I had to walk away. One of the associates is over there. I don't like them watching me filming. But anyways, these Big Soleils are always like this. So they are $3.30. The $3 coupon is attaching, so it makes these packs of razors 30 cents. I get this deal almost every weekend. Great digital deal on this Arm & Hammer detergent. They're $3. There's a $1 off coupon coming off, making these $2 each. All right, so the last thing we're picking up are the Central Multi vitamin gummies. My daddy loves vitamins, so I'm gonna pick these up for Father's Day for him. So these are on a clearance for 10% off. So it's not a huge deal, but it's gonna make these $6.30. Yeah, $6.30 for these. There's a $3 off coupon attaching, so it'll make these $3.30 for a bottle of gummies that were once $7. So we are done with our shopping trip, and we're gonna head to the register. All right, guys, we just left Dollar General. I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, Fetch, all those things. There wasn't anything on there. Always submit your receipt to Fetch because you get 25 points no matter what. So my total before taxes and everything was like $26, and then when I put in my information, it came out to $10.55. So we saved about $16 or so. That's an amazing Dollar General run, especially considering that the toilet paper was only a 25-cent off coupon, and I have to get toilet paper when I go to Dollar General. Some of the things that I wanted in the store were like the Sargento cheese breaks. I was told those were only going to be 25 cents today. It didn't work, but I am glad that the Pantene glitch worked, and then also the Herbal Essence glitch worked as well. The Pantene glitch was $4 off those small ones, and so I only paid 50 cents for all 3. And the Herbal Essence was a glitch on that, was the dry shampoo trial size as well. They're $2 each, and the $2 off coupon came off for 2 of them, so they were $1 each when that came off. I really did like the Central gummies because it was only $3.30, and that'll be great to go in my dad's Father's Day basket. And then what else? Of course, the Big Soleil razors. Be careful because there are some that are like $6. You don't want to get those. You want to get the ones that are $3.30. They're usually like lower on the shelf. So $3.30, that $3 off coupon came off. And then that Ocean Spray juice was $1, and it was only a 25-cent coupon for that. But that'd be great to put in the pantry to mix it with other things. What else was I going to tell you? Something else. Oh, you know, when you go into Dollar General, make sure that you ring up your items, you put your phone number in first, And then if you do have any paper coupons, you give them those last. And the reason is that because if you gave them the paper coupons first and you made your total go down, you wouldn't be able to use that $5 off 25. So always ramp your items, put your phone number in for that $5.25, and then paper coupons. Now, some of you actually have one of these, and that's fine too. You can use that as well. But make sure whatever you do, this comes off first before anything else that has to do it. So these chickadees in the back are ready for the pool party today. And then, I know. Oh, they're ready. And then the other thing is too, I have a printable breakdown in the description box. I print mine off and I show everything I have here, totals and that sort of thing. Now on my printable breakdown, I always have more on my printable breakdown than what I actually got. And the reason is because your store may be out of something. So on my printable breakdown, you'll see things like the Sargento cheese breaks. I didn't have that. The Gain dryer sheets, 105 count. They didn't have it. The Febreze plug-in warmer, didn't have that. Air Wick plug-in warmer, didn't have that. I did not get the Colgate cavity protection, didn't need it because my total ended up being $25. So what I'm trying to say is there may be extra things on my printable breakdown in the description box, but that's just because just in case they don't have the items at your store, because a lot of times we get to the store and the items are already cleared off the shelf. So I always go through, I print it off, and then as I'm in the store, I'll check off things I got and cross it out. And then I'll add it up to make sure I get to that $25 threshold. Remember, it's $25 before taxes. So always have your cashier tell you what the subtotal is before you put your phone number in. And I tell my kiddos, they're with me and they're ready for the pool, that if I do need something, to go grab me a half gallon of milk, because that's not going to hurt anything. Half gallon of milk, always say, hey, if mommy doesn't have the right subtotal, go grab me a half gallon of milk real quick, because I know that we'll use that, and I'm not just grabbing some candy off the display that I don't need. So that's one good filler item if you don't get that threshold and you thought you did. So all right, Praisers and Savers, make sure that you subscribe. Smash that notification bell.
Yeah!
Smash it.
Yes!
Share it with your friends.
Do it!
Smash it.
Smash it!
Smash it. All right, bye.
Smash it!